Pressure looks absolutely perfect.
In this video, we will detail all the definitions of all the parts name right here, or the number, and use, and we will skip to view for detail all the function and meanings. So you can see this is a part identification of all the image here. And part, it is the component and function. We will show how does it work and the part name. Okay, let's go to see the refrigerant flow diagram. So this is the refrigerant flow diagram of the grease. Here we can see the compressor. It is compressed the refrigerant to goes to the four-way valve, and then it goes to a round circle to condensate coil, and then goes to the expansion valve. And then the refrigerant goes to the FTU, the fan coil units, and then it goes cycles to the compressors. It works like this again and again to make the refrigerant temperatures goes down. It's cool, and then it make a cool air to comfort the room. So this is the refrigerant flow of the air conditioners, and this is the component and function we sketch to view to make it more clear and readable for this. Okay, you can read it all from number 1 to all the 16. Okay, you can read it all detail here. We go the component and functions. From 1 to 16 here.